Hi students, welcome to today's online class. As we are discussing about function and different aspects of function. Today in this session we will see the example programs for function with argument and without return value. So if you observe on the screen, first we are declared a function called void sum. We are passing the arguments, both are integer type arguments we are passing here. We have opened the main function. In main function we have declared three variables that are integer data type, a, b and result. So in main function we are printing a statement called going to calculate the sum of two numbers, and we are reading that two numbers with printf and scanf functions as usual. So after that we are calling the function here sum of a comma b. When we called sum of a comma b, so the compiler jumps to the function where it has defined, means a definition where it has given definition. Compiler jumps there after main function here void sum integer a comma integer b. Directly when we are passing arguments here arguments are there, integer a comma integer b are arguments, but we are not returning any value. Directly we are printing here. What we are printing? The sum is percentile d comma we are given expression a plus b is the expression. So directly it prints the result of two numbers. Then after it completes the execution of the program without returning to the main function again. So as similar we can see the second program as well here. You can observe here program to calculate the average of 5 numbers. To calculate the average of 5 numbers we need to give 5 average numbers. So here first we are declaring a function void average, and in arguments we are passing 5 average data type arguments, integer, all are integer data type. So after that we are opening void main function. In main function we have declared integer a comma b comma c comma d comma e as variables, so which matches all the integer data type. So after that we have given a printf statement going to calculate the average of 5 numbers. Then after in printf statement we have given enter 5 numbers. So we are reading the 5 numbers which we are giving, but we are not performing any average calculation in the main function. Just we are calling the average function where we have given the arguments of 5 variables. Means you can see here average of what are the arguments here? A comma b comma c comma d comma e, where we have declared and where we are calling that argument will be matched, means all of the integer data type only. We need to give all of integer data type only. After calling average, compiler jumps to the average function, average definition of the function where it has given, whether it may be given above the main program or below the main program. So in void average we are as usually we are passing the arguments of all the variables that are integer a comma integer b comma integer c comma integer d comma integer e. In that when we calculate average, finally we will get the result in form of definitely in form of float data type, means in points only we will get, right? So that's why we have declared a variable in data type float. In average formula, how we will calculate average? Sum of the observations by number of observations. So here how many values we are giving? A plus b plus c plus d plus e, all the values, 5 values by number of values that are 5, semicolon. That is a formula for average, we can say. So then after we are printing the result of the average. So the average of the given 5 numbers is what? Percentile f. We are printing average. So the output, you can observe the output here. First statement will be executed, then after enter 5 numbers, we are giving 5 numbers. Finally the average of 5 numbers will be given without getting back to the main function. Okay, thank you. We will see in the next class with the next example.